Hey, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will let you know about when you are using these three words in your English vocabulary, how to pronounce that. In English, aaj means today, kal or perso आने वाले, और आज means today, बीत गया यानी कि कल ऐसा किया था, परसों मैंने ऐसा किया था. सो इन तीन वर्ड्स को प्रेजेंट और फ्यूचर को लेके, प्रेजेंट और पास्ट को लेके. सो हाउ डू वी प्रोनाउंस एंड मेक द sentences on these three words? But before that, if you are new on this channel, please do subscribe this channel, because here you can get the opportunity to do free speaking with us. And also, if you are looking for your buddy partners or your job preparation interview, someone to prepare your interviews, we are here to prepare you free. No, not any penny you need to pay to us, but only thing you need to subscribe this channel, share this video with your friends, and also like this video. Thank you very much. And now let's get started. So when you're talking about today, so today means aaj. Today I'm going to do this. Or kal, tomorrow I will go there. Or the day after tomorrow. The day after tomorrow is I will go day after tomorrow to that place. So this is the difference between today, tomorrow, and the day after tomorrow. And now the other hand, if you talk about that the past. So today I'm doing this. Yesterday I was there and I was doing this work over there. And the day before yesterday, I was with her and I was doing this work with her when the day before yesterday. So इसी तरह के interesting से sentences और interesting meanings और interesting day-to-day vocabulary सीखने के लिए please do subscribe this channel, share this video with your friends, and also please do like this channel. And also, if you are looking for the buddy and if you are looking for your English speaking partners, then please write down your email address or phone number to getsuccess66@gmail.com. Thank you very much for watching this video and happy learning. Bye bye.